Moto Motorola held the three ships meet at the Summit New Product Launch Conference. Three flagship new products, Moto C30 Pro, Moto Razr 2022 and Moto S30 Pro were unveiled. TCL Huaxing supplies display screens for three flagship new products of Moto. Based on TCL Huaxing's profound technical foundation, its presentation effect has reached the top level in the current industry. Both the Moto S30 Pro and the Moto C30 Pro are equipped with TCL Huaxing OLED flexible micro-curved screens. The 53-degree fully symmetrical micro-quad surface design makes the body lighter and feels fuller. At the same time, it supports 144Hz high refresh rate, 1 billion colors and HDR10+ high-definition display. In addition, TCL Huaxing reduces the lower border of this screen to 1.8 mm compared to the market foldables through narrow bezel technology. It is the narrowest frame among the current folding screen products, which brings more stunning visual effects to users.